Before you begin this lesson, you will need to copy some videos over from Drive B over to your computer. We're going to be experimenting with some video backgrounds, and those are located over on Drive B. So if you come over to B, you're going to go to the current year, classes, PowerPoint, and then we have a folder here, and you'll want to grab this entire video backgrounds folder and copy it over to your THOD space, which is your computer. So you can just grab that whole folder and copy that over, and within that folder what we have are a variety of different backgrounds that we can use. There's some moving clouds, we've got some fire. That's some fire recorded at a homecoming years ago. And then let's see what else there is. And we got audio with that one too, but we won't need that. But we've also got some clouds. Maybe we could use this section here. Anyway, get those copied over and then come on back and continue the lesson. In this PowerPoint lesson, we will learn to create animated text. We'll use some fire, we'll use some clouds. And then later on you can experiment with other backgrounds. Let's take a look at what we're trying to achieve here. I've just created some text, made it transparent, and put some fire video behind it, so when we play the show it's going to look like this. So we've got some flames playing there. So that's how we're going to animate the text. So step number 1 is to start with a blank presentation, and I went ahead and started mine blank slide and then just did a fill, format the background, and just put in a solid black fill. Next step, insert. Shapes. And then this is where you would pick the shape that you want to use to create your text. So I'm just going to use a standard rectangle and draw that out. And then I'll just type room 8. And then we'll want to make that font pretty large. I'm going to make it 125, and then I'm going to change my font type, go with an Arial black here. There it is. There. And then the next step, I'm going to go ahead and put a white outline around this text. And make it a size 3 point here on the weight. And then we'll go ahead and put a fill here on this text so you can see it. And so I'm going to choose a light yellow. So now you can see the white outline and then a yellow fill. And so coming up, we're going to go in and we're going to make that yellow fill in there transparent. And then we'll put a video behind it and give the illusion of animated text. Next step is to come in and make this shape, the fill of this shape, the same color as the background. So we can come right up here, and there's the color sitting there to the left, so we can just click that. And so now we have that black, matches with the rest of the slide. And then also the outline. Notice we have this shape outline here, and we want to get rid of that. So we can just come here and just click no outline, and that'll disappear. Alright, next step is we're going to come in here and we are going to cut out this shape, and then we're going to repaste it back in as a picture. So right click, cut, right click, paste, and notice we have two options, and we want to paste it as a picture. Alright, so now it's one entire picture, And so what we want to do is format, and we want to remove this color. So come on over here to color, and this might be coming back to you from earlier lessons that we did in PowerPoint. We used a lot of these. Now we want to set a transparent color. And so it's going to give us a pointer, a little sampler, and so wherever we click, it's going to make that color transparent. Well, now we can go out and get our video. Insert, video, video on my PC, and this is where you saved it on your ThodSpace. And there's the videos, and you might have to navigate over to these. I'm just going to go ahead and I'll pick Fire, THS2, try that one out. Click Insert. There's the video. I'm going to select Animations. Select the animation pane. Start. Let's change on click to with previous. And then come on down here into the animation pane, and then you'll see it's got a trigger here, and what we'll want to do is set this video up above that trigger to get rid of that. So I'm just going to drag that up there. So that way it'll start playing that video right away when we go to that slide. And then let's come back over here and notice that the video is in front of our text, so we can right click over here and send that video to the back. And there's our roommate coming through in that transparency. Our video is a little large, so we can come over here to Format Video and do a little crop and change the height. There we go. Do a little preview play. And then we can also go to the slideshow. Play from the current slide. And there we have it. Animated text. So practice that a couple of times, and then for your assignment, create 5 to 10 of these and do some experimentation with the different video backgrounds that are provided to you. You might even be able to go out onto the internet and find some free backgrounds and experiment with some of the different options as far as shapes, outlines, and colors, and see how it works for you. I look forward to coming around and seeing those.